Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio through the Bluetooth system in this Ford Focus. So, onto your iTunes, well, a record there. If you see at the bottom there, the red triangle with the 3 red circles, that's saying Ford Audio. If you click on there, if there's no tick by Ford Audio, or if it said iPhone at the bottom, just click on that, the red triangle, 3 red circles, and make sure Ford Audio is selected. Back there, we'll click play. So that's playing, but it's turned down. Now over here we go to auxiliary. Click auxiliary, and it's showing the record that's playing there. If it's not showing, just click auxiliary again. You see there, line in active. It could be on line in, on auxiliary in. So click auxiliary till it's showing. I'll just turn this up. So there you go, that's how you play audio through it.